Hello friends. So we will try to solve the logic gate problems in a very simple way. So let us quickly consider the question. If you know this, you can solve any of the logic gates questions. So let us go through this question now. So identify the logic operation carried out by the following circuit. So this is the circuit. Okay. So for this circuit, what is the output Y? A and B are the inputs, and what is the output Y? We have to find out here. So for this, uh, it is very easy to solve step by step for any logic circuitry. So this is the one which I have taken as an example. So in this way you can solve. If you know how to solve this, then you will be in a position to solve any of the logic design related problems. And this is very important in point of CET, that is common entrance test, and some of the competitive examinations where these all questions will be asked for only 1 mark. So please be prepared. So this is kind of an example. So in this way you can, if you know this, in this way you can solve multiple problems, so that you will be in a position to answer any of such questions related to logic design. So this is A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. So okay, so let us start now. So A is the input here, B is also the input. So both are totally shorted. So actually this is a NAND gate. Okay, this is the NAND gate, single input NAND gate it is. So both the inputs, whatever pins are there, both are shorted and given to one pin, that is A. And in the similar way, the NAND gate 2 is also done in the similar way, and B, only one input NAND gate is given, that is B is the input for this. So the output of this is given to, in turn, another NAND gate. So that means two NAND gates are feeding one more NAND gate, and that finally gives the output. So how to solve? So single input NAND gate, we can assume it as a NOT gate. So A means this is the NOT gate because it is single input. So it will work as a NOT gate basically. So NOT gate is nothing but a inverter, which I have told you. So A is nothing but input. So once at, we have to solve step by step. Okay, here what output comes we have to give. Here what output is expected we have to write it. And then finally we have to solve this by taking these two inputs, and then we will get a final answer. So A, as this is the inverter as I said, so A output is A bar. B means output is B bar. So if we give this as an input, it will be, we are giving two inputs now. Here there were only one input for NAND gate. Here also there was one input because the another input was shorted. So here we are exactly giving two inputs. So A bar, B bar are given as input to this NAND gate. So this one, we have to take the help of this particular law of the Boolean expressions of logic design. So let us quickly go through this. So A B whole bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. So the output of this NAND gate will be A bar. Assume this as one input, A bar, B bar, whole bar. So this is the actual output of this NAND gate. But there won't be any options related to this. So we have to simplify this expression using this particular law. So this, whatever I'm highlighting now, this is the law of Boolean algebra. So A B whole bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. So in the same way, we have to solve this expression to arrive at a particular answer. So this one, A, we have to treat this as A, okay. A equals to A bar we have to treat, and B bar equals to B we have to treat. So in this way you would now solve A B whole bar. So that one will be A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So A bar bar B plus B bar bar. So A bar bar means it will be A only. This is one of the law of Boolean algebra. A bar whole bar is nothing but A. So in this way we have to arrive at here. So A bar whole bar is nothing but A plus as it is. So that is OR gate. So B whole bar whole bar is nothing but B. So finally this is the final answer. A plus B is the final answer. So this entire is evaluated as A plus B. So Y is equals to A plus B is the answer. So in this way we have to solve step by step, don't confuse, and we have to start from left, and we have to, from input side we have to always start, And don't worry if there are any multiple inputs like C is also, if it is one of the input, don't worry. So try to solve all from input, get single type of evaluate 1111 logic gate, and then finally you will get the final Y answer. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please let me know if you have any doubts. So please comment in the YouTube comment section. Okay, so till then, have a nice day. Bye.